Hi guys, welcome to LitGyan. Let's move on with the second part of MCQs on modern writers based on Routledge. The first question is, T.S. Eliot's poem Marina is inspired from which Shakespearean play? Your options are A. Midsummer Night's Dream, B. Much Ado About Nothing, C. Pericles, or D. Macbeth. The answer is C. Pericles. T.S. Eliot's poem presents a sequence of images which are difficult to connect and require some knowledge on the part of the reader of Shakespeare's late play Pericles, in which Pericles' daughter Marina is lost as a young child and then found by her father again as a young woman. The images in the poem of the father rediscovering his daughter can be equated with images of religious awakening. What seas, what shores, what granite islands towards my timbers, and wood thrush calling through the fog, my daughter. Moving on, who reached to the conclusion at the end of the 1930s that poetry makes nothing happen? Options are A. T.S. Eliot, B. John Masefield, C. William Empson, or D. W. H. Auden. The answer is D. W. H. Auden. In his poem In Memory of W. B. Yeats, he made this conclusion. Moving on. Given below are a few lines from The Wasteland. Son of men, you cannot say or guess, for you know only a heap of broken images. What does broken images signify? Your options are A. The broken promises of the government, B. The false idols of Israel which God has destroyed, C. The barren land created after the World War, or D. All of the above. The answer is B. The false idols of Israel which God has destroyed. The allusion to Son of Man is taken from the Bible, the book of Ezekiel, and refers to God, who addresses Ezekiel directly. The broken images are also the false idols of Israel which God has destroyed. In the modern world, the false and broken images are all that remain. Who once said that immature poets borrow, mature poets steal? A. T.S. Eliot, B. W. H. Auden, C. William Empson, or D. W. B. Yeats. The answer is A. T.S. Eliot. He wrote, bad poets deface what they take and good poets make it into something better, or at least something different. Which Scottish poet attempted in the 1920s to create a Scottish poetic language based on lowlands? A. Edwin Moore, B. Hugh MacDiarmid, C. Sorley MacLean, or D. William Souther. The answer is B. Hugh MacDiarmid. This has sometimes been called synthetic Scots, but it is in fact a return to the language used in a long tradition from Henryson and Dunbar and Gavin Douglas around 1500 to Burns in the 18th century. MacDiarmid was a strong Scottish nationalist, and his attempts to throw off English linguistic domination helped to create a nationalistic cultural identity at a time when political identities and ideals were being questioned all over the world. Moving on. Who is remembered as the first translator of Kafka into English? A. Edwin Moore, B. Norman McCaig, C. Henrik Ibsen, or D. Alan Lewis. The answer is A. Edwin Moore. He is remembered with his wife Willa as the first translator of Kafka into English, the fruit of a long stay in Prague in the 1920s. Moving on. Through which work Scotland has provided a great deal of romantic literature through the 18th and 19th century rewriting of its myth and history by Ossian and most significantly Sir Walter Scott. A. A Drunk Man Looks at the Thistle, B. First Hymn to Lenin, C. Chorus of the Newly Dead, or D. The Mabinogion. The answer is D. The Mabinogion. Identify the poem. He was my north, my south, my east and my west, my working week and my Sunday rest, my noon, my midnight, my talk, my song. I thought that love would last forever. I was wrong. Your options are A. Norman McCaig's Far Cry, B. Edwin Moore's Chorus of the Newly Dead, C. W. H. Auden's Jazz Elegies, or Charlotte Mews' The Farmer's Bride. The answer is C. W. H. Auden's Jazz Elegies. It was famously used in the acclaimed 1994 movie Four Weddings and a Funeral as a gay funeral oration. The poets Louis MacNeice, C.D. Lewis, and Stephen Spender all belong to a particular group. Identify. A. Symbolist group, B. Auden group, C. Scottish group, or D. Imagist group. The answer is B. Auden group. They were called the Auden group because they developed a style and viewpoint similar to W. H. Auden. Their poetry is diverse, but there is a focus on social themes and on a use of clear ordinary language and popular forms. In which poem Auden sees the Spanish Civil War as a battle between good and evil forces? A. Consider, B. Easter 1916, C. Spain, or D. If I Could Tell You? The answer is C. Spain. His subject was the sea, and his prolific career, he wrote poems, novels such as Sad Harker, stories and adventure yarns. Identify the poet. A. John Masefield, B. Robert Bridges, C. W. H. Davies, or D. W. H. Auden? The answer is A. John Masefield. He wrote as a poet laureate from 1930 until his death in 1967, the second longest term in office as laureate, exceeding only by Tennyson. If Masefield was a poet of the open sea, W. H. Davis was the poet of the open road. You have to remember this point. Who wrote this about poets? Poets are, by the nature of their interest and the nature of artistic fabrication, singularly ill-equipped to understand politics or economics. Your options are A. William Empson, B. T.S. Eliot, C. W.B. Yeats, or D. W. H. Auden? The answer is D. W. H. Auden. He said this in his essay, The Poet and the City That Came in the Dyer's Hand. Moving on. Who gave this period a motto in the line, and learn a style from a despair? A. William Empson, B. T.S. Eliot, C. W.B. Yeats, or D. W. H. Auden? The answer is A. William Empson. From the poem This Last Pain. The following lines are from the poem Under Ben Bulben. Irish poets, learn your trade, sing whatever is well made. Identify the poet. A. Isaac Rosenberg, B. James Synge, C. W.B. Yeats, or D. Seamus O'Sullivan? The answer is C. W.B. Yeats. Identify the Auden poem. I sit in one of the dives on 52nd Street, uncertain and afraid as the clever hopes expire of a low dishonest decade. A. In memory of W.B. Yeats, B. The Poet and the City, C. Consider, or D. 1st September 1939? The answer is D. 1st September 1939. With this, we came to the end of this video. You can leave your doubts in the comment section below. Till then, happy learning!